Multifunctional soldering station ST958-D is used to mount and unsolder electronic components, both for the traditional deep mounting as well for the SMD mounting with hot air. This station is a universal working tool for practically all repair operations. The soldering station has multiprocessor control and the controller of basic parameters. The soldering station consists of three blocks: the mounting block for deep components with the solder, the block for unsoldering of deep components with the vacuum gun. SMD components are mounted or unsoldered using the soldering block with hot air. The systems are tested every time they are switched on, and if a fault is detected, the code of this fault is displayed on the screen. The basic parameters, the temperature and the intensity of airflow, are indicated on the screen. Also, on the front panel, the buttons of mode control of the station are situated. There are buttons of airflow adjustment on the casing of the thermofan. Each microchip casing is equipped with a special tip. There are also universal tips for small-size SMD components, resistors and capacitors. Now we shall demonstrate how this block can be used with the example of unsoldering a SMD microchip from a PC motherboard. We choose the tip according to the type of microchip for the thermofan and set it up. Switch the station on, set up the required temperature and the airflow. To protect the contact sites on the board, we wet them with the soldering paste. We place the jet of the thermofan so that the heated air will be directed exactly to the contact sites to which the outlets of microchip are soldered. In a few seconds, the hot air will melt the alloy, and now you can carefully separate the microchip from the board. We have unsoldered the microchip from the board, and the sides of the board remained absolutely undamaged. For the traditional mounting of deep and simple SMD components, we use the solder. As an example, we will demonstrate how this block operates by mounting the microchip into a deep case. The temperature of the pencil on the solder is maintained automatically at the level set by the user. The soldering mode is displayed on the screen. The pencil of the solder can be replaced. For unsoldering of deep components, the solder with the vacuum pump is used. We will demonstrate the operation of this block by unsoldering a transistor. We set the required temperature of the pencil at the unsoldering iron. Bring the pencil of the unsoldering iron to the needed outlet of the transistor and melt the alloy. Then we press the trigger at the solder, the vacuum compressor turns on, and the melted alloy is pumped into the solder. This way we free all the outlets of the transistor from alloy. Then, simply remove the transistor from the board. As a result, we have not only unsoldered the transistor, but have also received the board ready for soldering a good component. On these examples, we can see that such soldering station will be very useful not only in a repair shop or at a small manufacturing shop, but also in a home laboratory of an advanced electronics emitter.